In an exclusive article by the Daily Mail, investigative journalists have discovered that the U.S. Department of Justice has been hiding over 400 pages of sensitive documents that directly damage President Biden, his son Hunter Biden, and the president's brother James Biden. The documents reveal damning details about the illegal foreign business dealings between the Biden family, the country of China, Russia, and Ukraine. The documents were first discovered by lawyer Kevin Evans in early 2022. He's been suing the Department of Justice to disclose and make these documents public, but the Justice Department has tried to block them at every move, pretend these documents don't exist, cover up the story through the media, and even ignore Freedom of Information Request Acts. These documents were first learned about when a government lawyer slipped in court and made mention of the documents. Since then, the Department of Justice, the White House, and the media corps have done everything they can to bury and deny that these 400 pages exist. For example, according to the Daily Mail, these documents prove the president's son was paid $1 million by a corrupt energy firm in Ukraine for doing nothing other than building a bridge of goodwill between Burisma Oil and Vice President Joe Biden. The documents also showcase how Hunter Biden was paid nearly $10 million from China business companies in order to get access to the ears of then Vice President Joe Biden. Now, the Department of Justice official statement is that they can neither confirm or deny the existence of these 400 pages this morning. This is a developing story, so I'll continue to research and report back to my YouTube community on this. But what do you think? Are we ever going to see what's in these 400 pages of damning evidence? Or is the president's family and the White House going to cover this up and the media help them? Let me know your thoughts down below, please. Also, if you like these type of videos, please give this a like, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you later today on the next video.